What's up, people? Handyman Mark here. Christmas. I got one of these assorted hot sauces. Let's turn this into a great gift idea. I've already used one hot sauce, but you can see you got all your favorite flavors. I don't know if they're your favorite. Some of these are excellent. I've always liked the green ones, and who knows? But I think they're all good. I just love hot sauce. And if you notice, there's Scotch tape on here. It is absolutely ruining the labels. Every single bottle damaged. Could definitely never resell them. Apply a little heat. I don't know if this is good, but I can smell hot sauce. But, oh well. So this is the idea. Can we get the labels off? Yes, we can. That works perfectly. And the last one. So the labels are coming right off. Look at how easy that is. Nice. And I don't know if it's a good thing, but I can smell the hot sauce. That means hot sauce is escaping from one of these jars. But this heating process is similar to canning. This would all be boiling hot. It would all be expanded. You'd put the lid on, and then when it cooled, it would shrink, and that's why you get that pop when you open a spaghetti jar. So I don't really see a problem with heating this stuff up, but I say just eat at your own risk. I'm leaving the plastic seals intact, so it's as good as it was from the factory, I'm guessing. There's our stack of labels. It did come right off. So we're gonna make our own labels. This here's the label paper. I know it's hard to see, but this dotted line is the exact same size, not the exact same size, but close enough as the labels that came off. So I got this at Walmart. Avery True Block shipping labels. And then on the back it tells you the website you need to go to lay this stuff out. And that's what we're doing now. Step 2, make a label. And just like that, we've got labels. These are stick to everything and they never come off. Let's see if we can do this live on camera. Put that there. Make it just as crooked as you want to be.
Joe, can you go give us Sammy?
Look at that. Handyman Mark's got his own brand of hot sauce. Hey, good gift idea. Alright, and here's the last bottle. Handyman Mark has his own brand of hot sauce. And there you go, Walmart, $4.95. I spent about way too long on the computer because I don't know what I'm doing. This is the end result. And there you go. We've got Handyman Mark hot sauce. I'm thinking this is a great gift idea.